So we have a little problem. I got this spicy rice cakes, and guess what? This is crazy hot, and I did not know this is the really spicy one, but we'll see. I never tried this brand before. It does come with some dumpling and one the seaweed roll. Has the the fish cakes and this broth and rice cakes. Oh. Hi everyone, welcome back to another mukbang. Oh my gosh, it's been so long and it's very echoey in here, and I hope it is resolved soon because I literally have nothing in this area. I only have like a dining table, but it's kind of weird to talk loud because it's so echoey. But anyways, today it's kind of like my cheat day. I know that I'm pregnant and I shouldn't really overeat or eat something too spicy. That's why I'm calling it cheat day. You know, like I do crave something this like salty, spicy, and sweet once in a while. But you know, I've been trying to be really good because you know I am almost there. I'm trying to really watch my diet for a healthier delivery, healthier body, and just trying to take care of myself. But I do need a cheat day. So I have some spicy rice cakes. There's fish cakes, rice cake, some glass noodles, eggs, and mozzarella cheese, of course. And for fried things, this is kind of old, and I hope it's okay to eat. This is a curry karaoke. I have dumplings, one seaweed roll. I deep fry some fish cakes as well, and this is mozzarella and fish cake hot dog. Let me just. For a drink, I have Calpico. My gosh, I haven't had this in such a long time. Honestly, I don't really drink this unless... I think the only time I actually drank it in my lifetime was when I was filming mukbangs a lot. And I had a bunch at home. But I'm gonna try my mozzarella stick. It's a fail, but it's so hot. Wow. Even with this, the rice cake, the heat is coming up. Whew. I made some steamed eggs this morning for Tong's lunch. Some leftovers, and that it might help. The rice cakes actually don't look that good because they're all like broken. And like, I really don't like it when it happens like this. Oh no, it's so spicy. Oh no. I don't know if this is like actually a Korean brand from Korea. I need some cheese. Whew. Honestly, I don't know why I fried these because these are already fried, so I don't know why I did that. So I'm not too crazy about the sauce because I prefer something a little bit more sweet. It's sweet, but it has a sour kick to it, and I'm not a huge fan of that. And I don't know if that's something from the soup base or the broth that I use, or they use for the ingredients here. So the dumpling that was in the package, it almost feels a little old. I think it's time for some more eggs. I'm gonna try the seaweed roll. Looks like this. And also, this room gets most light throughout the day, but it's very inconsistent. So forgive me, but I did want to film in here because every other room has to close. It's a baby room, bedroom, and I really didn't want to get the food smell in anymore. It's a little odd. So I'm pretty sure this is cooked, but the inside almost looks like it's not cooked. I'm gonna skip this. It's a little weird. I have my dumplings. I love these thick glass noodles. You know, it's so weird because sometimes I could eat like 3 bowls of rice and that would feel completely okay. But there are meals where I eat like half a sandwich and I'm stuffed. I don't want to eat it. So that's weird. And this is the curry croquette. It's very yellow inside. It's so. All in all, I'm very glad that I could even eat this well throughout my pregnancy. And the first trimester was pretty hard. I mean, it wasn't that bad, but not to the point where like I wasn't okay to sit down and like film mukbangs like this. But now I feel completely okay. And I was very excited to film. It's been a while, you know? My God, the lighting is insane in this room. It's like, it becomes a night and day within like minutes. Oh, it's just the weather today, actually. It's pretty crazy. Feels like winter again. I saw some like snow flurries this morning. I'm like, what the hell is going on? I wouldn't recommend this brand. It just comes off too sour to me. Too sour. Oh, that was so good. People are starting to ask me if I am scared to deliver the baby. I'm not yet, but maybe towards like the last week or when I'm in the hospital, maybe it'll be different. But I am planning to get epidural. As you know, as long as I'm okay to take the epidural. And all the testimonies that I heard, everyone's like, it's lucky, it's not painful, it's all good. Epidural is like way to go. So in that sense, I'm not scared. If I didn't have the option to take epidural, hell yeah, I think I'll be very scared because I've seen photos of how the baby comes out and like what it does to your vagina and like your body, and I don't know if I want to feel that pain. So right now, I'm not really scared about that, but I'll update you guys soon. It's still kind of far away. Overall, I am very excited to meet the baby. I can't wait to see how Ame and the baby interact. I really hope they become best friends. I know there are certain fur babies that are not okay with toddlers or infants or whatever, but as far as I could see, I think Ame will be a little bit interested, but not to the point where like he will be like all over the baby. and which is like great, which is what I want. Any other updates that I have, if you guys aren't following my videos, we do have a nursery. We did move to a bigger apartment because we needed more space for everything, clearly, right? My nursery is like nowhere near done, but the thing is, I don't think it'll ever be done. I'm not really like initially I really wanted to like really deck it out and like really make it cute, super super cozy. But I don't know if I want to do that so fast. I don't mind doing it as we go, as even after the baby comes. Because right now I only have the essentials and what we really need, and then I want to just build up slowly. Eventually we will have to move out of this place. Until then, like I don't want to really pack in too many things, and as an infant I'm sure they don't need much. That's just like what I'm thinking, but we'll see what happens. Everyone told me like don't buy too much stuff until the baby comes, because like half of the stuff that you think you'll need you don't need. It depends on the baby. Some babies might need it, some babies don't. So hearing all that, I'm just like, okay, I'm just gonna buy a car seat so I could bring the baby home from the hospital, and a bed and and diapers. Oh, actually, I want to hear you guys' thoughts on this. I'm pretty like certain, and I've decided like 99%, but I still want to hear you guys your thoughts. I'm thinking about using like 80% fabric diapers and like 20, but I still want to have disposables handy just in case. But I am planning to try out the fabric diapers, and if you guys are currently using it or you guys have used it, let me know the pros and cons. I mean, I know the basics, like, obviously it's a lot of work. It's just like very time consuming, but the pros are that, less waste, financially very like budget friendly. So I want to hear if you guys have like different pros and cons that you guys experience, if you guys ever did use it. So let me know, and if there's a brand that you guys really like, let me know as well. I'm looking at like 2 brands right now, but we'll see what happens. I am going to end the video here today. I hope you guys enjoyed today's mukbang, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Follow me on Instagram and make sure to subscribe to this channel. I'll see you guys later. Bye guys.